Working alone as a freelancer? You're definitely not imagining the loneliness. Let me share some eye-opening facts that might surprise you. According to recent studies, 64% of freelancers feel lonely on a daily basis, and 56% suffer from depression directly related to their work isolation. That's compared to only 30% of traditional office workers. But here's what's really concerning. Research shows that social isolation can be as harmful as smoking, increasing your risk of early death by 20 to 25%. Your mental health isn't just about feeling good, it's literally about your physical well-being too. So why does freelancer loneliness hit so hard? Unlike office workers, we miss those spontaneous coffee chats, casual brainstorming sessions, and even just the background presence of colleagues. Our brains are wired for social connection, and working in isolation goes against our basic human nature. But here's the good news. Loneliness isn't permanent, and you have more control than you think. Start by scheduling virtual coffee dates with other freelancers. Join online communities or local co-working spaces. Set clear boundaries between work time and social time. Most importantly, recognize that needing human connection doesn't make you weak. It makes you human. If 86% of freelancers work from home, that means millions of people are fighting the same battle you are. You're not alone in feeling alone. Remember, your mental health matters more than any deadline or project. Take care of yourself first, and everything else will follow. For more practical tips on thriving as a solo worker, subscribe to Ctrl Mental. Because your mental wellness is our priority.